In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to install OpenToonz on Linux, which is a free and open-source 2D animation software. If you go to the OpenToonz website and click on Download, and then click to download OpenToonz, you'll find a page that only has a Windows version and a Mac OS version. So at first glance, it may seem that it's not possible to run OpenToonz on Linux. Let's go back to the home page and then jump to the download section again. Here you'll find a link to OpenToonz's GitHub repository. On the repository, if you scroll down, you'll find instructions on how to build OpenToonz for Linux. But we are not technical people, so we aren't going to do that. Instead, let's go to releases to see if we find any Linux releases. There is no Linux release here, but let's try browsing the other ones. Here we find a paragraph that reads, OpenToonz doesn't officially support Linux, but the community does. It contains a link to an automated Linux build. Here you'll find automated Linux builds of OpenToonz. Every time the source code is changed in this repository, GitHub automatically tries to compile the source code for Linux. You can also access this web page by clicking on Actions and then clicking on Linux build, by the way. You'll probably want to click on a master build instead of a nightly build. There are also ways to find builds of specific versions, but they expire after a while, so you probably won't be able to download a specific version in this way. Let's click on the latest master build we have. Here you'll find a section that lists the artifacts created by the Linux build action. There should be some download buttons here to download the artifacts, but they only appear if you are logged in, so you will need a free GitHub account in order to download the Linux binaries. It's a bit unfortunate, but if you are using Linux, you'll probably have to create a GitHub account sooner or later anyway, so it's not that much of a problem. Now that we are logged in, the artifacts become links and we can download them. After the download finishes, we can open the Downloads folder to see what we have downloaded. It's a zip file. We can right-click on it to extract, and inside the zip file there is another zip file, or more specifically, a tarball. We are going to have to extract this one too. Now we enter the folder, and we're going to find an app image. Usually you would have to make the app image executable in order to run it, but this one seems to have been made executable before it was put inside the tarball, so we don't need to do anything. Let's double-click on it. This is all you need to do. Now you have OpenToonz running on Linux, and you can start creating 2D animations with free software. By the way, if you have any issues with running OpenToonz, an alternative is to download Tahoma 2D instead. Tahoma 2D is a fork of OpenToonz that officially supports Linux, so you can simply download the app image directly from the website. Since it's a fork, almost everything that OpenToonz can do, Tahoma 2D can do as well. This is how you install OpenToonz on Linux. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.